Hello everyone. From now on, when you cook eggplant at home, remember, never blanch it, and there's no need to deep fry it either. Home-style dishes should be made with home-style methods. First, prepare 3 fresh eggplants. When buying eggplants, choose ones with smooth skin that feel firm when you squeeze them. These eggplants are more tender and don't have seeds. Next, cut off the stems of the eggplants, then place them in a steamer. Cover with a lid and steam for 10 minutes. Prepare an appropriate amount of spiral peppers and wash them thoroughly. These peppers have thin skins and a moderate level of spiciness. Then, use a knife to gently smash the peppers. This helps them absorb more flavor and taste better. After that, place them on a plate and set aside. Prepare 4 cloves of garlic, crush them and chop into small pieces. Once chopped, put them in a bowl for later use. Add a few fermented black soybeans. Our eggplants are done steaming, take them out. Let them cool slightly, then tear them into small pieces by hand. Steamed this way, the eggplant is fragrant, tender, and doesn't absorb oil. Next, add a little oil to the pan, then add the peppers and stir-fry them to bring out their aroma. Press the peppers with a spatula so they heat more evenly. Dear friends, if my video has been helpful to you, remember to like, follow, and share it. Thank you for your support. Stir-fry the peppers until they become soft and develop a blistered, tiger skin appearance. Then add the garlic and fermented black soybeans, and stir-fry until fragrant. Next, add the eggplant and stir-fry a few times. Start seasoning. Add a spoonful of salt, a spoonful of chicken bouillon, an appropriate amount of light soy sauce, a little dark soy sauce for color, and a bit of oyster sauce. Turn the heat to high and stir-fry evenly, letting the eggplant absorb the flavors of the seasonings. Stir-fry for just 10 seconds and it's done. Alright, plate it up. Eggplant stir-fried is so fragrant, it'll have you reaching for more rice. If you like it, save this recipe.